Good morning. Is that man uncomfortable or what? Look at him turn red.
I wasn't expecting that.
Yeah, he's never expecting that. He doesn't ever talk. We are headed to town to acquire some that grass blocking cloth. I don't know what you call it. And a couple of bags of dirt. I need potting soil for my tomato plants. And we need a few groceries. Dog food, cat food, that kind of stuff. So we've decided to go to town, get that done, make a little vlog video that I don't have to edit or put music to or anything. I know I use a lot of music, but I make really long videos. If you think about it, all of the stuff that I do that's time-lapsed, it may be 30 minutes in like, what?
20 seconds.
In like 20 seconds, yeah. So, you know, I can't just bore y'all with all of the processes of the things that we do, and I enjoy good music, and I know y'all do too. But this is just a vlog of us popping in on a Sunday morning. We had a storm this morning, and I would show y'all through the windshield but it is so eat up with bugs you can't even hardly see. I could play connect the dot with the bugs, try to draw out a picture. Did y'all ever? I loved connect the dot. I never see that anymore. Yeah, we used to even make it up. Yeah. Huh. Funny the things you just randomly remember. Especially when you're older, you just randomly remember stuff. Because you've done so much in your life, you got a lot to look at.
Sometimes you remember, and sometimes you forget.
Yeah. I do more forgetting than remembering. And Kevin, he forgets things that he knows he did wrong. He conveniently forgets. Yeah. And I don't do wrong.
That's like selective hearing.
Yeah. We got a lot of that going on. We got a lot of sign language going on too. Yeah. We are fighting. I've been fighting the pollen. I had my friend Terry come out, and we did a thing on the store that I'm going to have sales out of, and I couldn't even video when we went out thrifting because I was just sneezing and blowing so much. I had to even cover my mouth, my face with the cloth that I had in one store because they had something burning. Man, people burn these loud things, and like you might get 2 or 3 people burning stuff or having smelly stuff in their booths, and Lord help, it'll choke you out if you're sensitive. My girlfriend Peggy, I could walk in the front door of a place and I would just turn around and say, get out, you can't breathe in here, because she was so sensitive to those things. I just knew, I learned what she could take and what she couldn't take. I missed a lot of stuff because of her sinuses. But that's okay. Some people came, oh, I saw some wisteria bloom. That's the first I've seen. I think I saw it the other day, that same bunch. I'm surprised I hadn't seen any more out here. When we worked in downtown Little Rock, we had a block that there was a wall, and half that wall was covered, just covered in wisteria. And it's beautiful, but it only flowers for just, what, couple of weeks, maybe. If you get that much out of it, they don't last long. No, that is a redbud tree. We have a lot of redbud. There's another wisteria, a freestanding bush. They've kept that under control. Yeah.
I'm not a gardener. I don't know one plant from another.
Well, I get some things confused, and then I just can't remember their name because it's a long name. Yeah, my hydrangea bushes. I mean, I really wanted to get some little trees like the Chinese maple, but I don't want to put roots up next to my foundation because we're on a concrete foundation, and that it makes me nervous. I remember when I was growing up, we had a cedar tree that my daddy had to cut down because the roots were going under the house.
You probably wouldn't do nothing in our lifetime.
And he don't count on that tree growing or us dying soon, something.
It takes a while.
Like I love weeping willow trees, and their roots go to water, so you have to really watch where you put them. And I'm dying to get some fruit trees. I mean, I got the one plum, and it got fertilized last year. One plum, because we lost the buds in a big storm. Well, we didn't lose the buds this year. It was loaded. What was alive was loaded, and the bees were working it, and it bloomed. I mean, it bloomed out good, and now it's green. It's greening up really, really good. Maybe this year I'll get some plums, because the one I got, it was so good, and it was up. I had to reach up and pull the limb down to get it, and I don't think it's produced, and I don't think the deer know about it, because the way the deer ripped apart our persimmon tree back there, the one limb I could get to, they broke it off. She stood up on her hind legs and broke it off. So I can't get to them now unless I go up an extension ladder and go up and climb that tree. Put a sheet out and shake the limbs, because I can't. There ain't no reaching them. And it's a shame, because they were really, really good persimmons. Kevin had never tried them, and he tried one, and I think it was just a little green. He said he felt kind of a dry pucker. I said, well, it wasn't ripe enough. That's just like muscadines. If you get green muscadines, they're not the best thing, but you touch up muscadine and it falls off in your hand and you eat it, that'll be the best taste of muscadine you ever had. I miss all that. Our muscadines go way up in the trees, and you can't get them. You can't hit them. We used to go and hit them with the long bamboo pole, but they were low enough where you could get them. I don't know how y'all feel about that. in a morning vlog. I should have coffee, but I don't. Can you twist that lid for me? I got to get a drink of my water. Kevin, I was holding it. You didn't have to take it out of my hand. See?
It's a very hard cap.
A very hard cap. I'll tell you what, y'all, there's some pretty gardens going in. You didn't take it off. I asked you to take it off. Man, he just gives me one half of one ear.
It was just sitting on there.
I couldn't twist it. Thank you. Oh, there's an old golden truck sitting back there I hadn't seen. Like early 50s or late 40s. Yeah, we hate to get rid of Kevin's truck. It's going. He's got other plans.
Plans I like.
Yeah, and necessary, and it's a great bargain. And y'all will see that when he gets it. He has to make a video all on his own. I do my antique store. He can do his surprise that he's getting. Sorry, y'all. See, that's what I've been dealing with, and that's mild to, at least I don't sound like I'm throwing up a lung. It's been rough. It's been rough. I hope y'all aren't suffering. I'm going to my heart doctor for a checkup this next week, and I'm going to ask him what can he suggest that I take, because I'm kind of scared to take stuff with the new medicine that I'm on. That's pretty boring to talk about on a vlog. Y'all stay with us. Stay with us. Yeah, it's getting to the end of the month, and we needed to get another few things published because of our analytics. I'm dragging them down with my antiques. And that's just the way it's going to be. I'm not doing another channel. It would be too hard and too much work.
It's all about what you enjoy doing.
Right. And you know, we do stuff together. He loves to go to the auctions with me, don't you? Yeah, I mean, we love it. And we hope to get to doing that. We sold the camper. That was a burden on our back. And switching the vehicle and all of the things that we're doing is so we can get out and go. And enjoy things. It's like when we go to the meetup and you follow that MT Homestead's putting on the Mid-America YouTube meetup 25. We're staying in a hotel. Yay! I love to go and stay where I don't have to make the bed. I don't get to do that very often, and that's something I'm pushing him. We bought the camper so we would go. Well, we found out real quick that's a lot of work, and it's a lot of hassle hauling it. You can't just whip in where you want to go, and we had to rebuild the transmission on this after we had hauled it, and when we moved and we hauled stuff. And we do haul our flatbed trailer, but it really made me nervous. It was only 1,000 pounds under our weight limit, our gross weight limit. So I was really scared to haul it, and I don't like campgrounds. I'd rather primitive camp. Well, then you got to keep that generator running. Sorry, talk to him. Yes, I'm having a coughing attack. Did you hear it? I asked him to talk to y'all, and that's what he said. Sorry. You failed. You get an F. F for what? Don't say it. Fun. F for funny. F for food. We do like to go out and eat because I'm tired of cooking.
I'm kind of hungry now.
I'm hungry now too. I'm surprised you didn't stop at Fowler's. We have found all the little, locally owned restaurants. We wear them out.
And most of them are good.
Yeah, we really like the truck stop in Clarksville for their lunch special because it's good food.
Called South Park.
South Park, but it's good food. Sorry, y'all. I guess I'm going to get off of here so I can blow my nose and give y'all a break. Yeah. So, I guess until then, y'all, watch for either our flower bed install or the surprise video. We'll see what comes first. Till then, y'all.